This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Djokovic and Albanese. First of all, we've got Novak Djokovic coming in here as if he stands above the rest of us. He tells us that there is discrepancies on his paperwork, but his management did that. Well, that says a lot about the bloke from starters. But we've got the Serbian leaders chiming in and people all around telling us how to run our country with our rules and regulations. So if you don't like it, you know what to do, mate. But on top of that, every time you look up, there's Albanese saying he doesn't want to politicise it, and that's exactly what he does every day. Even Labor supporters are sick of you, you whining little bitch. You never stop trying to bring Morrison down on whatever you can, and yet you never bring your own policies or anything in to support it. You just whine and whinge. And it's about time the Labor Party came up with its own policies and gave people who'd like to vote for them something to think about instead of whining. I've got one final point. When Djokovic goes home, take Anthony with you, will you, mate? So we're sick to bloody death of the pair of you and the media saturation. This is Harry Vocal.